What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your booking account. So as you can see here guys, I'm on booking.com, and to change your name, you want to ensure you sign into your account and click your profile on the upper right hand side, then go to my account. Now under this section here guys, you want to scroll down under the manage account section and click on your personal details from here, and here you will be able to see where it says name. Now you want to change this because if you are signing into booking.com with, for example, your Gmail, it's going to quickly pull the name from your Gmail as it is for myself. So if you want to change the name, just simply click on edit, and from here you can now enter your first and last name. So I can type, for example, Drew, and let's say tutorial is my last name, which is not, but you get the idea. I can go ahead and I can just type that in, and as you can see, I can click on save, and that's it. You'll be able to put your name there fully on your booking account. That's all there is to it.